Hello guys. Let's talk about how to do the test corrections. So what you're going to do, I keep moving this tab up. This is this week's work. So test corrections are here. You're not going to find the test here. I've informed you guys all week that the test is not here. You have to go to last week where you took the test. It says Wednesday Chapter 1 quiz, and you have to click the Google form. When you click the Google form, it's going to take you to your test. Mine is different because I'm the teacher, but right up here it would say View Scores. So once you view your scores, it looks like this. It tells you your points up here, and if it's red, it tells you it's incorrect, and if it's right, it's got the green check mark, okay? So at the same time, you need to go back up to test corrections and open the Google Doc. So the Google Doc looks like this. So you click. Then you go back to your test and you're like, okay, I missed this first question. So you'll type in number 1. And then you'll read the question, which of the following are primary resources? So then, if you did not copy the notes, and I gave you all ample time to copy the notes from the weeks that we've been going through the book, and let's see, that started on August 24th, so the notes have been up that long. I reposted the notes in their own tab, so you'll open your Chapter 1 notes, they're right here, and you'll open your Chapter 1 book chapter. All of the answers to the quiz we're taking from Chapter 1 notes and from the Chapter 1 in the book. So once you think you have your correct answer, you'll type it here, primary resources, and then type in your answers, okay? So let's say that you got number 2 correct, so you just keep scrolling. So, oh, I got number 2 correct. Oh, but look, I missed number 5. So then you go, I picked number 5. And if it's true and it's wrong, then it's clearly going to be false. You have the 50-50 chance there. And then let's say you got every single question correct all the way up until number 9. Okay, what is demography? Oh, I missed number 9. So then you type in number 9. And you type in your answer, what you think it is based on your book chapter here under New Mexico History Book Chapters, and in your Chapter 1 notes that you should have copied or made a copy of in Google Docs, which is now under Chapter Notes here. I told you guys weeks and weeks before we took the test that the notes were going to go away before the test, which is why you should have been copying them and studying them prior to the test. But they're back up now. Hopefully, those of you who did not use your time well to copy notes or make a copy in Google Docs, hopefully now for Chapter 2, it's a new day. Hopefully you get that done this time, okay? So when you are done with test corrections, you're going to go back to the tab here, and you're going to go turn it in. I don't have the turn in button like you do, but make sure you turn it in, and I will go back. Sorry guys, my allergies are bad. Then I will go back and give you credit for the ones that you re-answered correctly. If it's wrong, it just stays wrong. There's no more points depleted. It just stays the way it is, okay? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to talk to me during the Google Meets. Send me a private message. I am here to help you guys, okay? That's how you do test corrections.